NASA's chief scientist Jim Green is positive it is simply a matter of time before the space agency and its European partners find indisputable evidence of alien life on Mars. The NASA physicist believes next year's Mars 2020 mission will be the first to unearth evidence of alien life on Mars. The NASA Mars 2020 mission, which launches in July 2020, will send the next generation of robotic explorers to the Red Planet. NASA's mission will coincide with the European Space Agency's, ESA's, own ExoMars rover that will also drill into Mars. But when the monumental discovery is finally made, Dr. Jim Green warned the world might not be ready for it. The NASA scientist told the Sunday Telegraph, "It will be revolutionary. It's like when Copernicus stated no, we go around the sun. Completely revolutionary. It will start a whole new line of thinking," he added. "I've been worried about that because I think we're close to finding it and making some announcements." The Mars 2020 rover is penciled in for a launch window of the 17th of July, 2020, to the 5th of August, 2020, but the lonely rover will not reach the Red Planet until February 2021, after which it will begin to explore Mars. ESA's mission will follow a similar trajectory and drill about 6.5 t into Martian rock. The Mars 2020 mission builds on the successes of NASA's previous rovers, Spirit, Opportunity and Curiosity. Dr. Green boasted in August this year scientists will find proof of alien life within our lifetime. His claim mirrored the sentiment of former NASA chief Ellen Stefan, who thinks finding life on Mars is a matter of digging deep enough and long enough. The basis of these incredible claims is Mars' ancient, wet past. Although the Red Planet today is a barren desert devoid of life, Mars once boasted a thick and humid atmosphere. Dr. Green said, "The bottom line is, where there is water there is life." At some point in the planet's history, Mars lost most of its magnetosphere, which resulted in solar radiation stripping the planet of its lush atmosphere. But in extreme environments like those on Mars, Dr. Green is certain microbial life moves into rocks. He said, "We have gone in nuclear cesspools, places where you'd think nothing could survive. We go 2 miles deep into the earth and if they were weeping with water they were full of life." NASA's Mars 2020 rover will collect samples of rock and soil, which will be left behind on Mars for future missions to retrieve. The process, dubbed sample caching, will see the Mars 2020 rover store rock samples in protective tubes. According to NASA, the mission will be the first to demonstrate the ability to retrieve such samples. Mars 2020 mission timeline. 1. The Mars 2020 mission will launch from Earth during a window of opportunity between the 17th of July and the 5th of August, 2020. 2. The spacecraft carrying NASA's rover will drift through space, on an epic voyage towards the Red Planet. 3. On the 18th of February, 2021, the Mars 2020 rover will enter the planet's atmosphere and slowly descend by parachute. During the descent the rover will photograph the planet's surface and make necessary landing site adjustments. 4. NASA's rover will be depleted in the Red Planet's Jezero crater. Before landing, the rover will detach its parachute and use 8 rockets to slow down. 5. The rover will be softly lowered to the ground by a rocket-powered drone that will fly away from the robot once touchdown is complete.